Today we're getting crafty. We're going to turn something a bit boring, this thing, into this. The easiest thing to use is one coat paint. It's great, there's no sanding, no priming needed, and I went with a white chalky style one. Make sure the table is dry and you have something to protect the floor. Old newspaper works well. And then get painting. To get a really cool even finish, just paint in one direction. While I crack on painting in the background, a subscription to our channel will be hugely appreciated. Our goal as a channel is to support Samuel's Charity. It's a charity that's really close to my heart as myself and my family run it. We help sick kids in hospital, and we help the underfunded wards with things like iPads and tablets, entertainment equipment, anything that's really needed on the wards. There's a whole range of different things you can paint. It doesn't just have to be some boring furniture. Check out this one that Evie did. It's really colourful and makes a huge difference in her bedroom. Plus she had loads of fun doing it.